What if I told you the world just witnessed something straight out of a science fiction thriller? Mysterious drones, thousands of them, appearing in the night sky over America. No one knows where they came from. No one knows who's controlling them. And now, whispers of a top-secret government agenda have begun to spread. Could this be the beginning of Project Blue Beam? It all started in late 2024, first in New Jersey, then spreading across the East Coast. Unidentified drones appearing in synchronized patterns, moving with military-like precision. The FAA imposed emergency flight restrictions. Homeland Security scrambled for answers, but the biggest question remained. Who is behind these drones? And why? Authorities tried to calm the public. They claimed there was no foreign threat, no alien connection. But not everyone was convinced. And then a theory emerged, one that has sent shockwaves through the internet. Could this be connected to one of the most controversial conspiracies of all time? Project Blue Beam? For years, rumors of Project Blue Beam have circulated. A supposed government plan to stage a fake alien invasion or religious event using high-tech drones and holograms, all to create mass panic and justify a new world order. And these drones could be just the beginning. Some believe the drones were a covert military experiment. Others say they were testing psychological warfare. But here's where it gets even weirder. Why was there a sudden increase in UFO disclosures around the same time? And why were these drones flying in patterns that seemed almost intelligent? The government wants you to believe this was just a security issue. But what if there's something much bigger at play? What if this was just the first phase of a carefully planned deception? The truth is out there, but are we ready for it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, because what I'm about to reveal in my next video will shock you even more.